Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. I have my little helper here with me, Parker. And today we're going to be making a bunny wreath using the Dollar Tree bunny frame. For this wreath, you're going to need some chunky yarn, and I purchased my yarn at Hobby Lobby. I got it when it was on sale, and I'm using the color light gray, but Hobby Lobby has lots of pretty colors. Then you're going to need your Dollar Tree bunny frame. You're also going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks, some hot glue finger guards, and I think that's about it to get started. This is the fourth Dollar Tree bunny wreath that I have made so far this year. So if you haven't seen those tutorials, I can link them in the description box for you. And you're also going to need some flowers, and I picked up those flowers at Dollar General. This wreath is similar to the bunny wreath I made using the white chunky yarn, but I decided to add some flowers to this one, and I think it's my favorite. So you're just going to flip your wreath over, then hot glue your yarn on, and I recommend using some hot glue finger guards for this part, and just make sure you don't hot glue your wreath down to your table. Let it dry, and then you're just going to wrap your frame. When you're wrapping your wreath, make sure that you're not letting your loops get twisted up. Try to keep them all going the same direction, in line and not overlapping. Make sure you get it nice and tight and just wrap the entire circle. And then when I got to the ears, I did the ears a little bit different. With a white chunky yarn, I wrapped the entire ear where it was nice and made the ears really show up. This time I just took some yarn and just wrapped the wire and kind of made an outline of the ears. I am going to give away one of these Dollar Tree bunny frames. I have an extra, and several people have commented to me that they can't find theirs in store, so I'm going to give one bunny frame away. I am also going to give away one $25 gift card to Hobby Lobby. So if you would like to enter for one bunny frame and a $25 gift card to Hobby Lobby, you're going to want to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, like this video, leave me a comment, and in the comment you'll need to write the word, or two words, bunny giveaway. You must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated by YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do something to say thank you. On March 15th, 2022, we will pick one name, and what I'll do is on this video, on your comment where you commented, I will comment below it and let you know that you are the winner of the bunny frame and $25 Hobby Lobby gift card, and I'll give you my email address, and I'll ask only for your mailing address. You will have 1 week to email me back with your mailing address. I just took the yarn, hot glued it around the little ear frame, and now I am just going to wrap the little bunny ears. Make sure you get it nice and tight, and just continue wrapping the ears. So I did both ears, and just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I wanted to add some greenery on the top of my wreath, so I just took a garland that I had left over from Christmas, cut some pieces off, and then I just hot glued the little pieces of greenery onto the top part of the bunny frame. If you don't have a garland or anything like that that you can cut pieces off of, right now Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Walmart have some really pretty, inexpensive spring flowers out. So here's how it looks with all of my greenery added. I just hot glued it all on, let it have time to dry, and then I took some pretty flowers from Dollar General. I just took them and pulled the flower right off the stem and then hot glued them onto the wreath. This is so simple to do and it turns out really cute, and I think this is my favorite bunny wreath that I have made so far. You'll have to let me know which one is your favorite. I also made a really cute little Easter or spring centerpiece using some inexpensive Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Walmart flowers, and then one of the cute little Dollar Tree bunny butts. So if you have not seen that little centerpiece tutorial, I'm going to add it in the description box too, just in case you want to check it out. To hang this wreath up, I just took a piece of twine, made a loop, and then hot glued it to the back of the wreath, and that's how I hung it up. I did go outside to take a video of it, but it does not show up that great because my door is so close to the color of the yarn. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bunny wreath, and if you have not checked out some of those other bunny wreath tutorials, I hope you will. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. Let me know what you think about this wreath. I think it will be perfect for Easter and also to leave it out for spring. And then when I was at the store earlier today, a lady I was talking to in line, she said that bunnies can be left out all year around, and I think that's true. I like bunnies, and so you don't have to leave it out just for Easter or spring.